Hi guys, so today I'm just going to be teaching you how to crimp your hair without crimpers. Okay, so I'm going to start off, my hair's sort of dry and I'm just going to put some mousse on it. Okay, so my hair is now fully kind of coated in mousse and I'm just going to dry it. When your hair is kind of dry or kind of half semi-dry with just a few kind of damp bits in it, you want to start to plait your hair. Now, the bigger sections, the bigger your crimp's going to be, and the smaller sections, the smaller your crimp's going to be. Like, if you want less volume, you go for the bigger plaits. If you want more volume, you go for the smaller plaits. I kind of vary. Okay, so there's either two ways you can do this now. You can either leave your plaits in overnight but secure the ends, or you can use your straighteners to heat up all parts of the plaits. The problem is I haven't secured the bottom of mine, so as I do it, I replait the bottom and I work upwards so that the bottom is still crimped as well. When you're satisfied with how much you've straightened your plaits, you have to unravel them and you just pull them out from the bottom, like so. And that's your hair crimped. Now, I generally put some clips into the side. This is all your choice. You can use like headbands or whatever, but I just put some clips in and that's it. This is your DIY on how to crimp your hair without crimpers. Bye.